Familia makwan Geok tin 2023 oseyudo midhiero mar oula e pacho kae. Kaunti ma Nairobi, familia makwan Geok tin 6,000 midhiero mar oula osejuko. Koth manyo ochwe buore Nairobi otieno ma piny orugo kawuono oweyo ka apeyni opong' kod pi ka moko kuom kuonde dak bende pi odare ji. Midhiero no mar oula ne okwako koda ka gwenge mag Syokimau kendo kelo midhiero ne jodak ma wuok e alwora no. Luoro bende pod nitie ni pi oula nyalo medore ka riwruok mar Kenya Red Cross osenyiso jo Kenya ni omed bedo akicha ne geng'o masiche mikelo kod koth gi pi oula.
It was around 3-4 in the morning when the water level started coming up. Tukamushwa, tukajaribu kutoa magari, but it was too late. Magari yote yameingia maji.
The biggest problem we have is drainage. The road construction that was being done at the back there has blocked the water. Ndio maana tuko na hii maji.
Ila harakati mimi nimelala, tuko na mtoto kwa nyumba. Mama bibi yangu alikuwa hapa nje, alikuwa anafanya usafi. In that process nikasikia akaniita, toka nyumba inaanguka. Mimi nikatoka kwa kitanda, kabeba mtoto wangu, nikamweka kando, tukatoka nje tukatoroka.
Mimi nilikuja tu asubuhi, nikakuta nyumba imeangukiwa. Bahati mzuri siku kuwepo. Kama ningelikuwepo sasa saa hii ningelikuwa maiti.
Wale ambao wanaishi pembezoni mwa mto wanafaa kujitahadharisha ya kwamba kipindi cha mvua kinapofika, ikiwa uko kabisa pembezoni mwa mto, inafaa uanze kujiondoa mapema.
So some of these things inafanyika ni sisi wenyewe we are the ones who are causing some of these things to happen. So for me as the governor of Machakos, and I'm here, I would really like to tell my people, not even in Machakos alone, to move away from the rivers.